Bakwika bishatu nkaga na mushanjo no bwahati nibo bashobangiriirwe aha camp yakanyabwanya eyibabatiremo ahari kibiri ha Catholic Church bwanyuma y'ebintu byabo hamwe na nemisiri okushishwa omyanya eya Buthare Karonge Kahema hamwe na Kanyatsi kandi ebyo nabikasisikara bwanyuma y'emitunga hamwe na nebitengure ebyakuratirwe enjura eyagwire munonga omukwakana ombirabiri na bishatu okuregerera chairperson owa LC1 Chibiriha village orikumanya Nkasibiho Gideon nagirango obwahati abantaba amajugabo gona gakashenyuka no bwahati tibineho kutura
mije twika shabere tabura bandu eshendulani manyumba matera byale bya matsenda nebendo biri kuri mu manyumba bendo byabende bekatsanda nishamba nishamahola anar na bwecho abantu banashano bane makambo bana bona bonire akaratasi ni mutwikako ngabule chero kanda yetukinishima akaratasi yeyo tsugana netu shango shetuka chabala cha sebiti saibiri babara kwa cha balaze saibiri nerimo mutwikako kandi bakatutekania
nayo njeragira ngo kizibu ekihango no kugira ngo camp yakanyabwanya eyibabatiremo ahari kibiriha hariho abana abari kwetenga garuka aha mashomero nkonko bwahati tibine bitabo uniform ahamwe na nebindi
kikulo cyatuwete sano ajike tujoboba babana besukuru eriyatsuka sangurunga abantu abali makambo situwete eritsukira sana nabana ebintu byabana byabaratanda.
Having a challenge in the camp whereby we have 312 students and have failed. These children are still here, they have not yet gone to school. Then we call upon the government and other institutions to come and assist us, these children to go to school.
Bagambaho na Sky TV abazire nibagirango obwahati bari mu rugaruza abana babo aha mashomero abo kugira ngo tine kintu na kimwe kibasigarine bwanyuma y'enjura okugwa munonga
wete ngokutwanga tokeru tolaba nabo ku sukuru situhuti heritsukira.
The school that we have, the government school, is very far from the camp, and we are having a private school nearby the camp, and where there is a government school, we think we might have challenges there because there are some rivers and landslides there. These children, they have no books, they have no clothes, uniform, and other scholastic materials.
Okurigirira ahari Francis Kule or field officer orikora na Caritas omuri Kasese nagirango abantaba obwahati nibacetenga ebintu byo kubahwera abo kushanga ngo bine aho kurara hatabonire ngo kandi tibine na nebyo kuriya.
The situation at this temporary IDP is needing, and it needs collaborative support to ensure that we really do not cause a big problem to these people.
Agambo na Sky TV kao wa Kasese bya Mong areas na Jiranka district bareni bakoragana n'ebitongore ebitari bya government okureba ngo babasa kweraho abantu abashobangiriirwe na mnonga abana abari kushoma okugira ngo bagaruke aha mashomero.
NGOs should be sensitive where they are in that area of operation. The NGOs should come together and come to those, and we integrate them in the nearby school. Yeah, they are allowed to go to a nearby school and study. That's emergency. That's emergency, and we have to have emergency preparedness all the time. Actually, we have an emergency plan for the district, which informs part of the national plan for disaster management. So it's a continuous process because climate change is a reality and we can't run away from the devastating effect of climate impact.
Amakuru aga gasha kwa Muhindo Gerard hawa Sky TV omuri Kasese.